If you're looking to become a home-based trader, then it's likely you will use charts like these. And if you're like most traders, you find it frustrating and overcomplicated, which is not surprising because all these lines and indicators can be confusing. For instance, take a look at my screen now. That's enough to give you a headache right there. As you can see, there are a ton of charts to look at, and you end up with sore eyes staring at numbers and lines trying to analyse your next trading decision. You may even have taken a course or two, but still don't understand these complicated charts. But what if I told you that none of this was necessary? Sounds weird, I know. After all, surely charts are an essential part of any trading, because you need them to work out where the price is likely to go. Well, no. I make successful trading decisions every day, and I don't use any of these charts that most home traders look at. For instance, volume indicators, you don't need them. Bollinger Bands, you don't need them. Moving averages, you don't need them. MACD, you don't need it. Mass Index, you don't need it. In fact, you only need one tool in order to make your trading decisions. To find out what that one tool is, click below now for more information.